High Yielding Variety Program HYVP. This program was launched in year 1966 when India was facing severe economic crisis due to various reasons. During 1965 we had Indo-Pak War, and also in year 1965 to 1966 we experienced severe drought conditions throughout the country. This plan came under third 5-year plan from 1961 to 1966, but its full implementation took place in fourth 5-year plan, that is 1969 to 1974. This program was managed by state government under the supervision of the central government, but no separate funds were allocated for this at any level. There were various steps that the government took for the implementation of these programs. Those were: first, selection of area in each state. Criteria for selection of the area were: first, the productivity of that area; second, the irrigation facility; and third, the accessibility of the technology. Second, development of staff as per with the IADP patterns. Third, working out for training programs at all the levels. Fourth, arrangement of inputs like fertilizers, plant protection equipments, credits, etc. Now we have to discuss the objectives of HYVP. The main and the foremost objective of this program was to attain self-sufficiency in food in India by 1970 to 1971. Second, adoption of latest variety of seeds. Third, enhanced application of fertilizers and pesticides. Fourth, provide financial aid from RBI via central cooperative banks. Now we have to discuss the outcomes of this project. This project was successful in wheat growing areas and somewhat in the rice growing areas. Area under cultivation rise from 6 million hectares in 1967 to 34 million hectares in 1977, and finally it rose to 52 million hectares in 1980 to 1983. Now we have to discuss the annual GDP at that time. In 1966, the annual GDP was $45,866 million, and in year 1971, it rose to $67,351 million. The growth rate in 1966 was minus 0.5%, whereas it was 1.6% in year 1971. So we can see that this program was very much successful. This program also introduced various implements. First, high yielding variety seeds, increased use of fertilizer, increased irrigation, improved implements, and all these collectively aided the green revolution in India, or we can say it was the first step for green revolution in India. Also, a small program called Mini Kit program was also launched in 1971. Initially it was only for rice, but in 1974 it extended to wheat, maize, millets. The main objective of this program was quick popularization of latest released seeds or seeds yet to be released. Second, farmer reviews before large scale sowing. Third, small quantity of seeds were made available to the farmers from research centers free of cost. Thank you.